Hello great people, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you again. Ipob has received a response from Ohanaeze and Igbo in respect to the visit of President Buhari, or let me put it, the planned visit of President Buhari to Ebonyi State. And based on the reactions thus far, it seems that the statement by Ohanaeze and Igbo is quite provoking. I'm going to give you the full details of what they have to say, which when you listen to the comment section, you will see how a lot of Igbos are getting overly provoked and they want sit at home to continue. But before we continue with details of the news, we'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our videos. The leadership of Ohanaeze and Igbo worldwide on Friday said the planned visit of President Muhammadu Buhari to Ebonyi State would be instrumental to the release of the detained leader of indigenous people, Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Ohanaeze made the remarks in response to the warning by Ipob that Buhari was not welcome in any southeastern state until its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, was released from the custody of the Department of State Services. Ohanaeze, the Apex Igbo Socio-Cultural Group, in a statement by its Secretary General, Mazi Okechukwu Izuzoro, urged youths from the Southeast Zone to stop any action that would truncate the visit of Buhari to Ebonyi State. The group stated that those opposing the planned visit of President Muhammadu Buhari to Ebonyi were incapable and incompetent of carrying out such rogue operations, adding that such would lead to their own extinction and disastrous cessation of existence and relevance. The statement read in part, said any attempt to obstruct, thwart, or hinder the planned President Muhammadu Buhari's visit to Ebonyi State have disastrous consequences on the unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu and destroys the effort of Igbo leaders led by Pa Mbazulike Amechi and religious leadership in Igbo land, as there are no forces and oppositions to hinder the right of a sitting president of a country from visiting any section of the country under his territory and jurisdiction. And those opposing the planned visit of President Buhari are incapable and incompetent of carrying out their rogue operation, and if they fail, it would lead to their own extinction and disastrous cessation of existence and relevance. Ipob shouldn't give credence to the antagonism and friction of northern groups like Arewa Consultative Forum, Northern Elders Forum, Coalition of Northern Group, and Arewa Youths that President Buhari shouldn't release Nnamdi Kanu, because this imbecility and absurdity will make President Buhari to decline in action that will lead to the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Igbos will welcome President Buhari to Ebonyi State in line with Igbo traditional cultures and norms of welcoming esteemed visitors. This is another window of opportunity for the ongoing persuasion engagement with President Buhari by Igbos to grant amnesty and presidential pardon to all Ipob and other Biafran agitators, including Nnamdi Kanu and others who are languishing in numerous detention facilities across the country. The group also task the Southeast governors to do everything possible to ensure that the release of Nnamdi Kanu was secure as soon as possible. According to them, they say Southeast governors, led by Governor Ohanaeze, will secure the release of Nnamdi Kanu and others in Abakaliki. We have implicit confidence that the Southeast political leadership and Igbo leadership, led by Ohanaeze and Igbo, will seal the deal and facilitate the release of Nnamdi Kanu. It's predestined that Abakaliki is the venue when the Igbos will secure the release of all detained freedom fighters, including Nnamdi Kanu. Ipob shouldn't, without further delay, I'll take that again. Say Ipob should, without further delay, rescind and withdraw the earlier decision to obstruct the planned presidential visit to Ebonyi State and disown the earlier provocative statement, or unless that they want Nnamdi Kanu to remain in prison till the end of the year 2023, when another president will succeed Buhari. Ipob should apologize to Mbazulike, Amechi, and Southeast governors for ignorantly hampering and thwarting their diplomatic and tactful effort to secure the release of Nnamdi Kanu, as diplomatic ways remains the best approach to ensure that President Buhari will keep his previous promise to look for a political solution to the incarceration of Nnamdi Kanu, and Ipob should end all hostility and resort to prayers and traditional ordinances until presidential pardon and amnesty is given to all Biafran agitators. Those are the words from Ohanaeze and Igbo worldwide. In other words, they are telling the Ndibos to forget about, Biafrans specifically, that they should call off all their plans of hindering the president from coming in. Now, this has triggered a lot of reactions. I tell you, I'm going to be reading some of the things that some persons have to say. This one said, Ohanaeze are asking Igbos to welcome the man who ordered the killing, forced disappearance, abduction, incommunicado imprisonment, and torture and maiming of thousands of Igbo youths. Are these men so unreasonable to understand the anguish of many families? We are using the illegal kidnap and imprisonment of Kanu as a weapon of blackmail. Let Igbo stay at home peacefully while he visits his fellow bad politicians at Ebonyi. Someone responded to that guy, said, "Thank you, Jerry, my brother." Another person here said the seat at home should be in entire Southeast so that Buhari and the treasures, unless they know they are irrelevant. Imagine that they are gods, even making veiled threats about extinction of Ipob, carry out their sit-at-home trade. Ohanaeze was destroyed by Nyanwodu and lost any relevance after the visit Hitler, Wiki, and collected bribe to say no Igbos were killed in Obibo. Nyanwodu is the 6th Igbo governor to be added to those whose carcass must be discovered in the marketplace. Oh God, oh God, oh God. This one here say Imo was Imo alone. This time it should be Igbo wide. Hearing gunshot in nearby Imo Anambra by enforcers of the sit-at-home will certainly get the message across to Buhari and his crass handlers, or bring down anything that comes around. God, some people are very angry here. Some of the stuff I can't even read it. This one says, whomever made this statement on behalf of Ebonyi is not doing well. Nnamdi Kanu will be released, because if they don't release him, America will treat Buhari like they treated other presidents who did bad, and time is running out on their own. The release of Nnamdi Kanu is very important, but it's not the only thing in this world. The killing of our people and disrespect for our land, the injustice we must not tolerate until he is released. If you think insulting our youth to please your Buhari means anything to our people, then your brain must be mixed with our enemy's blood. Man, this one said, Ipob owe nobody apology, and Ohanaeze ought to realize now that they are part of the predicament of Igbo youths today. It was these same crooks who set up Nnamdi Kanu in Enugu under the leadership of Nyanwodu for Oboki to bring down. Ohanaeze went ahead of stooge Igbo governor to proscribe Ipob even before Malami and these government announced it via the court. What is Buhari going to do in Ebonyi State at a time of heightened tension in the southeast? More importantly, can Ohanaeze tell me the gain to Igbos from Buhari's visit to Imo to commission an extension of the banquet hall in Douglas House? The pothole Hobuzadima hardly filled and marketed as new road project have since been washed away by the rain. Big God Buhari is using these forests into the southeast to try and main fence he destroyed by looking the other way while his people were troubling us. Metiala is feeling the economic heat and applying same to Buhari. That is what this is all about. Besides flexing feeble military might that scares no one in particular, Buhari should stop going to the southeast. He's not needs his visit more than the Igbos he grieved. Finally, Ipob should declare sit-at-home order for entire southeast if Buhari defies common sense and insists on visiting southeast. That's when una eye will clear. Ohanaeze, a corrupt Igbo monarch, clerics, and politician who collect money from Southeast government to go and welcome an unwelcome person in. My God, so much is being talked about here. I can't, time will not permit me to read everything. Just go to our comment section. Let's interact. What's your position on the reaction of Ohanaeze towards the trade that was thrown out